Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So this week I have a makeup video for you, and we're gonna keep things real casual. Like, I got the vlogging camera out and we're just gonna sit down and hang out and do some makeup together. So since Halloween is right around the corner, I thought it'd be really fun and really fitting to do a Halloween makeup video. And it's gonna be inspired by this really fun sunburst headpiece I made like 2 years ago, or something like that. So if you've been subscribed to my channel for a while, you'll know that I did actually have a makeup video to go with this, but I took it down because, well, I didn't hate it, but I didn't love it. So I wanted to give it another shot. And yeah, that's what's going on today. I'm gonna go put this down now because it's in my face and kind of in the way. All right, really quickly before we get started though, I just wanted to say that if you like this video and want to see more from me, please subscribe to my channel. That would be super amazing and I'd be really grateful. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is put on like primer and foundation and concealer and like that whole fun thing. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back and I'm ready to go. And the first thing I'm gonna do is put some tape on my face. So I'm going for like a more angular look, and honestly, I can't really do that without tape. I'm not at that level yet. So yeah, tape it is. And we have some painter's tape because, well, I don't have Scotch tape. And my other choice is packaging tape, and that sounds really painful and not worth it. Okay, so I'm just gonna rip some of this off and stick it on my face. Okay, so the tape is on and I have my James Charles Morphe palette because, well, it's the most colorful palette I have and I think I'm gonna need a lot of colors today, so let's see. So I'm gonna start off with this shade right here in the top and just lay some down all over my lid and whatnot to create a nice even base to build other stuff on. And now to add some definition to like my crease and to like the tape area, I'm gonna take this darker like tan shade and use that. And now it is decision time because I'm gonna put in some actual colors, I think. So, okay, I think I'm gonna start off with this super vibrant orange shade, and I'm gonna just put that on like the outer thirds of my eyelid and up the tape. And now I think I'm gonna just take this slightly darker and, oops, I should probably hold the palette in the screen. Anyway, so now I'm going to take this like darker, more reddish orange and go really along the tape area. And maybe a little bit onto the lid. Okay, so now I really wanna like darken up the outside area, so I'm gonna take this color right here and use that. Alright, so that needs a little bit of blending out. So I'm gonna take this shade again and try to kind of blend that out a bit. I think it is time to move on to like the main portion of my eyelids. So I'm gonna take this very bright yellow color and go all over the lids and inner corner. Okay, that is good now. And I think I'm gonna go back in with that super bright orange and really get that area where like the red and the yellow meet, because I kind of covered up the orange I had there a little bit. And then to add a bit of shimmer, because who doesn't like a little sparkle, we're gonna take this shade right here and we're gonna go over like the outer corner and V. Okay, so I think this is looking good, so I'm gonna take the tape off. Actually, before I take the tape off, I am gonna take some concealer and I'm gonna like clean up this like top outer edge thing I've got going on. So now I'm gonna take the tape off. All right. Ooh, I am liking it. All right, I'm gonna come in with this shade and get like the under eye area and kind of connect that to everything else. Gonna get some shimmer in there as well. And then on like the inner portion of the lower lash line, I'm gonna put yellow. Yeah, let's go for yellow. Just kidding. Gonna go for orange. So coming in with my Benefit, I can talk. So coming in with my Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil, I'm gonna fill in my brows a little bit. Yep, I can speak. That is a thing I am good at. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this CoverGirl Clean Pressed Powder and just apply a little bit all over to make sure that like my foundation and concealer stay put for the rest of the day. You know, when I say the rest of the day, I mean until the end of this video when I go wash it off. Imagine if I just looked like this for the rest of the day. And now I have my sleek contour kit and I'm just gonna carve out my cheekbones a little bit and maybe my nose, my chin. I don't really know. We'll find out. I'll do something. Okay, and now I need some highlighter, and I think I'm actually gonna use this. So I'm gonna take this super sparkly gold shade over here and use that to highlight my cheekbones and like the tip of my nose, and hopefully it doesn't look too outrageous. Okay, so I found some glitter, which I don't think anything ever good has come from a sentence starting with like, hey, I found some glitter, but I found some glitter and we're gonna put it on my face and hopefully not get it all over my house because, yeah, face glitter, fun, house glitter, not fun. Alright, so I'm a fan of the glitter. I think it looks really cool. And I found these star sequins and I think I'm gonna try to get them on my face also. Alright, so they're on and I really like them. Okay, but I think I'm going to pat some of this gold shade on that I used for a highlight before and then put some like clear gloss over it. I think that would look really nice, or hopefully will look really nice. So I feel like I am missing something. Oh, yeah, I'm missing mascara. That is what I'm missing. Okay, I'm gonna just curl my lashes and then put some of that on. I think that'll be good. Although part of me is feeling liquid liner, but every time I've tried to like put on liquid liner, it's never really worked out for me, so I'm kind of hesitant to do that because it might ruin literally everything. I'm not gonna lie to you, I think it needs liquid liner. So I'm gonna go try to do that off camera because there's no way I'm gonna be able to do it on camera. At least I have like a slight chance of being successful off camera. So I'll be back, and if I don't come back, that means I really messed it up. And well, you'll probably never see this video because I'll have to like wash my whole face because I don't think I could really fix it without like messing up the whole eyeshadow look. So yeah, be back, maybe. All right, I'm back. I did the liquid liner. I used this Fenty Beauty one, which is really nice, by the way, and I went for this extra bold and thick wing because I didn't mess up. I did it on purpose. Not just kidding, I messed up, but I think it looks good. It's like very cartoonish, and I think it looks really cool with the look. I think it goes really well, so I'm actually kind of happy that I messed up in a way because it's fitting. I will say though, the right side came out much better than the left side, which I feel like everyone is way better at doing like one side versus the other side, so I know I'm not alone. Alright, so I think this needs like a little bit of blush. My cheeks are looking kind of bare. I think it'd be good after that. Oh, by the way, I'm using this Milani blush in Romantic Rose. It is a super like natural and like nice blush shade. It's like one of my favorites. And yeah, it also looks really cool. It's like a really cool rose shape, so that's also really fun. Okay. All right, so we're done, and here's the finished look, and I absolutely love it. I think it is really cool, and as bonus, it was super easy. I mean, like, if I could do it, you could do it. Okay, before I go, I'm just gonna come in uncomfortably close so you guys can get like a good view of like the whole eyeshadow thing going on. So yeah, I really like it. I like how it looks like a meteor like flying through space. I think that's super cool. And I also love the glitter because like, who doesn't love glitter? And yeah. All right, I'm gonna back up now because this is kind of weird and I think we're too close. I guess I should back up too so you can see like the headpiece with it. So let me just scoot a little backwards. Just lean back here. It's not a good angle for me, but here we go. This gives you an idea of what like the whole thing looks like together. And yeah, I hope you guys like it. Anyway, so I'm gonna go now and vacuum this entire room because there's like glitter and makeup everywhere, which is fine. We had a good time, so it's fine. Alright, so don't forget to subscribe if you like this video and want to see more from me. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!